10 Best Exhaust for Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Flowmaster Outlaw Direct Fit Muffler. Ready to unleash the true voice and power of your vehicle? The Flowmaster Outlaw Direct Fit Muffler delivers an immediate transformation, engineered for enthusiasts who demand a commanding presence. Brace yourself for that signature, deep, powerful, and aggressively exhilarating sound that truly turns heads. This isn't just about noise, it's about performance. Leveraging our race-proven Outlaw muffler technology and meticulously dyno-tuned for maximum performance, you'll feel the difference in response. The best part? Installation is a breeze. This direct bolt-on system utilizes your factory hanger locations, ensuring a quick, easy upgrade with no special tools or fabrication. Get ready for an unforgettable soundtrack and enhanced performance instantly. Number 9. Outlaw Direct Fit Muffler. Ready to give your vehicle that assertive edge? The Outlaw Direct Fit Muffler isn't just an upgrade. It's an investment in robust, reliable performance you'll appreciate for years to come. This is a truly heavy-duty product, engineered with the unwavering quality you expect from a brand trusted by countless professionals. Its direct fit design isn't just a convenience. It ensures a seamless, hassle-free installation, getting you back on the road with that signature Outlaw roar and enhanced power in no time. With Outlaw's commitment to product availability, getting your hands on this renowned muffler is refreshingly simple. Experience the difference true heavy-duty performance and lasting quality make. Number 8. Upgraded Ram 1500 Exhaust Gasket. Tired of exhaust leaks compromising your Ram 1500's performance and comfort? Our upgraded exhaust gasket is your perfect solution. Engineered as a direct, cost-effective replacement for OEM part 68505-222AA, this gasket is precision-tailored for 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 models with both 3.6L and 5.7L engines. No guesswork, just a perfect fit. Crafted from premium, heat-resistant aluminum, it creates an unyielding seal against extreme pressure and temperatures, ensuring superior durability and long-lasting, leak-free operation. This translates to restored vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and a wonderfully quiet, smooth drive. Plus, its direct bolt-on design means hassle-free installation in minutes, no modifications needed. Upgrade today for a worry-free ride. Number 7. Ram 1500 09-18. Dual 3-inch Flowmaster 40 Exhaust. Give your 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 the voice it deserves with our dual 3-inch Flowmaster 40 muffler back exhaust kit. Experience the legendary, deep rumble and unmistakable, aggressive Flowmaster 40 series tone, a classic sound that turns heads and ignites passion. This isn't just an exhaust, it's a performance upgrade. Precision 3-inch mandrel bent piping ensures maximum flow, minimizing restriction to unleash your Ram's true power and improve throttle response. Installation is convenient. Use robust included clamps for a straightforward setup or weld for ultimate longevity. Complete with a standard dual rear exit, this kit provides powerful sound and an aggressive, custom look, elevating your driving experience today. Number 6. 98-01 Dodge Ram 3-inch stainless exhaust tip. Ready to unleash the full potential of your 1998 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500. This 3-inch stainless steel catback exhaust tip is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. Engineered for brilliant performance, it delivers an instant 15 to 25 horsepower or low-end torque boost, maximizing your engine's output and efficiency with a powerful, refined sound. Crafted from high-quality T304 stainless steel with computerized mandrel bends, it offers extraordinary durability and corrosion resistance. TIG welded for ultimate strength. Installation is a breeze. A direct bolt-on OE fitment means no drilling or modifications are needed, with all gaskets and hardware included. Give your Ram the performance and quality it deserves. Number 5. OE-style Ram 1500 5.7L Dual Exhaust Kit 09-18. Looking to revitalize your Ram 1500 5.7L's exhaust 09-18. Our OE-style dual exhaust kit is meticulously engineered for drivers who demand excellence and superior performance. You're getting outstanding, long-lasting durability and consistent, optimized performance that not only meets but often exceeds original equipment specifications. This isn't just talk, It's rigorously built in ISO-certified factories, guaranteeing a precise fit, form, and function that makes installation a breeze. Every component is thoroughly inspected for superior quality and expert workmanship, ensuring you get a truly reliable, long-lasting upgrade. Experience the confidence of a perfect, factory-like fit and unmatched reliability for your truck. Number 4. Borla S-Type Ram 1500 V8 Exhaust. Ready to unleash the true voice of your Ram 1500 V8? The Borla S-Type exhaust delivers that legendary aggressive growl you crave, without compromise. Crafted from premium T304 stainless steel and featuring all-welded construction, this system is built to last a lifetime, resisting corrosion and standing up to anything you throw at it. Installation is a breeze thanks to its precision bolt-on design, meaning less time in the garage and more time on the road. And here's the best part. Our made in USA quality comes with a genuine no-drone guarantee. Enjoy exhilarating performance and a captivating sound profile on the open road, without any annoying cabin resonance. It's the ultimate upgrade for your Ram. Number 3. Borla ATAK Exhaust 19 to 23 Ram 1500. Unleash your 19 to 23 Ram 1500's true potential with the Borla ATAK exhaust. Built from premium T304 stainless steel, it offers extreme durability and corrosion resistance for years of aggressive performance. Simple bolt-on installation requires no cutting or welding, ensuring pure sound and power. All welded construction provides maximum strength and a trusted, leak-free experience. Borla's famous no-drone guarantee delivers an exhilarating, race-bred rumble without annoying highway cabin drone. Proudly made in the USA, it's a top-tier investment, providing unmistakable sound to complement your Ram's power. Number 2. Borla S-Type Catback 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500 V8. Ready to unleash the true voice of your 2019 to 2023 Ram 1500 V8? The Borla S-Type Catback system is your definitive answer. As experts, we know you crave that aggressive, throaty rumble without compromise. Crafted from premium T304 stainless steel with robust, all-welded construction, this American-made exhaust guarantees unmatched durability and a perfect fit for years of exhilarating performance. Installation? A breeze. Its precise bolt-on design means less time in the garage and more time enjoying the road. Best of all, Borla's legendary no-drone guarantee ensures a comfortable cabin experience, even on long hauls. Elevate your truck's presence and sound. It's an upgrade you'll feel and hear every time you drive. Number 1. Borla ATAK Ram 1500 V8 Exhaust System. Unleash the beast within your Ram 1500 V8 with the Borla ATAK Exhaust System. Engineered for those who demand maximum sound without compromise, this system delivers an aggressive, race-bred roar that truly turns heads. Crafted from premium T304 stainless steel with robust, all-welded construction, it's built to outperform and outlast. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade thanks to the direct bolt-on installation. No cutting or welding needed. Proudly made in USA, you're investing in top-tier quality and legendary craftsmanship. Plus, drive confidently with Borla's renowned no-drone guarantee, ensuring a comfortable cabin on long hauls. Get ready to experience true V8 power, perfected. So, that sums up my 10 best exhaust for Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,